Markate doesn't show a single fixed price, because the cost depends on business size, number of users, and which field service features a company actually needs. By the end, you'll understand how Markate pricing works, what drives the real cost, and whether it makes sense for service businesses compared to other field service management tools. Markate is a field service business software used to manage scheduling, customer management, estimates, invoicing, and job tracking in one system. Instead of one flat subscription, pricing is structured based on plan level and business requirements. Now explain plan structure. Markate uses tiered access where each plan level unlocks more tools for running a service business. Lower tiers focus on core functions like scheduling, customer tracking, estimates, and invoicing, while higher tiers are designed for more advanced workflow management and business operations. Now explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature access, because advanced tools like automation and reporting are usually reserved for higher tier plans. The second factor is team size, because more users means more office staff, technicians and managers accessing the system. Now explain what you are actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one field service platform that replaces separate tools like scheduling apps, invoicing software, customer databases, and job management systems. That matters because many businesses compare Markate to the combined cost of multiple subscriptions instead of a single platform. Now explain who uses it. Markate is mainly used by small service businesses like HVAC companies, plumbing contractors, cleaning services, and other field teams managing daily jobs and customers. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no public fixed price, and the final cost depends on how many features and users are included in a specific setup. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is expecting Markate to have a simple monthly price, when in reality, it scales based on both features and business size. Now explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Markate pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow, instead of trying to find a single number online. Now, explain limitation. A limitation is that very small businesses may not fully use the advanced workflow and automation tools, which can make the platform feel expensive compared to simpler scheduling apps. Now, simplify it. Markate pricing is based on business complexity, not a one-size subscription that fits every service company. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller teams usually only need scheduling and invoicing, while larger teams benefit more because they can manage customers, workflows, and job tracking in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for scheduling, invoicing, customer management, and job tracking. Then compare them to what Markate replaces in one platform. If Markate replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler field service app may be the better fit.